That's my favorite videos at the moment are when people get their pets and they make their pets do the Pedro dance. It's very good.
Add Pedro dance to my search.
Wait, what? You don't know what the Pedro dance is?
Unaware.
It's the circling fish lens with the raccoon that goes Pedro, Pedro, Pedro. Very good. Alright, we have Applin, Nose Pass, and Sinister. Phantom, Swellix, and Fizendipity. I know how to say words. Apom, Chimicho, and Chandelua. Ooh, we've got Cook, our first gold, which is Enhanced Hammer, and Monkey Dory. I think Monkey Dory and Okidogi are my new favorite Pokemon to say. Iron Leaves, Crodot, and Blissey EX. That's the most epic Blissey has ever looked. Accompanying Flute, Sandygast, and Heatran. Bug Catching Set, Sandslash, and Hearthflame Mask Ogpun EX. Spinnerack, Jinx, and Walking Wake.
Heather, if you dyed your hair green, would it look like you're bald?
I mean, I've contemplated doing it for memes.
Yeah.
I have green wigs. Oh, we have a Sunflora special illustration rare. Hell yeah. But yeah, maybe one day I'll show up with a green wig.
And James can wear it.
Yeah, it will have the most impact.
Yep. It makes you disappear off camera.
Yeah.
That's what you've always wanted.
Weird that I'm not doing it now. Yeah, so the way the case share break will work is that once all the other breaks are ready and there aren't any more breaks to fill, we will do whatever, however many spots are filled. So if there's only 2 spots, we'll open 2 boxes. It's a good one, Blake. Good one.
Oh, we love Shigo. Someone was telling me last night, I don't know I think someone told me to dye my hair green and do a Shigo cosplay, and I was like, you do realize that wigs exist? There's a thing that I wear for like I think all bar like one cosplay I've ever done. Actually, yeah, I think there's only one cosplay I've ever done with my natural hair. That's funny. Well, like, recently at least. Survival braids. Yeah, but Jam and Tower, Timber, and Walking Wake. Diplin, Chimchar, and Enamorous. We have Secret Box, Palossand, and Hisuian Arcanine. Tadbulb, Cramorant, and Monkey Dory. Enhanced Hammer, Heatran, and Iron Thorns EX. Sunflora, Applin, special illustration rare, and Zapdos. I love how this one could just be a tree, but it is more than a tree. We have Shinx, Clefairy, and Iron Leaves. Sawana, Iron Bundle, and Okidogi. Carmine. We have Wellspring Mask Ogerpon EX in the special illustration rare. That is beautiful. Like abstract stained glass window vibes. We have Tangrowth, Hisuian Growlithe, and Iron Thorns EX in the full art. They're totally, definitely future and not the 80s. We have Handheld Fan, Lampent, and Frostlass. Hurelius, Goldeen, and Okidogi. Community Center, Enamorus, and Iron Leaves. Trevenant, Monferno, and Screamtail EX. We have Kieran, Flababy, and Carmine. Special illustration rare. I think that, unless that's the full art, I can't tell anymore. Poltergeist, Hawlucha, and Inferno. Draclick, Poliwhirl, and Sinistcha. Luxio, Poliwag, and Enamorus. Ogre's Mask, Skarmory, and Wellspring Mask Ogerpon. Thwackey, Poliwrath, and Teal Mask Ogerpon. Ooh, we have Abra Enamorus special illustration rare, which looks straight out of Has Been Hotel. That is such a cool card. And our last pack for the break, we have Hassel, Snorunt, and Tinglu.